Scrum was first implemented in 1993 by Jeff Sutherland and others at the Easel Corporation. They drew concepts from the Harvard Business Review article, The New Product Development Game, published in 1986. The article describes how companies including Honda, Canon, and Fuji-Xerox had generated superior results using a scalable, team-based technique in product development. Self-organising cross-functional teams were empowered to work towards achieving goals. Although the examples cited in the article were outside of software, they served as inspiration for those building software to experiment with the same concepts to see whether they could help in similar ways in this different domain. Schwaber and Jeff Sutherland worked on Scrum until 1995, when they co-presented Scrum at the OOPSLA Conference. This presentation essentially documented the learning that Ken and Jeff gained over the previous few years and made public the first formal definition of Scrum. In the years following the presentation of Scrum at the conference, many people began to adopt and use it. As the volume of people using it increased, so did a level of confusion about what Scrum actually was. As a result, Ken and Jeff collaborated to produce the Scrum Guide, and the first version was released in 2010. The Scrum Guide documents Scrum as developed, evolved and sustained for 20 plus years by Jeff Sutherland and Ken Schwaber. Millions of people around the world now use Scrum to develop products and services, and the usage of Scrum continues to grow rapidly. The most recent major trend has seen Scrum grow beyond its software development origins. In my public Scrum training courses, it's now common for as many as 50% of the people to come with interests beyond software, including but not limited to pharmaceuticals, construction, HR and marketing. The world is becoming an ever more complex place, and more people are turning to Scrum as an approach to help them control complex work and deliver value. The latest update to the Scrum Guide in November 2020 reflected this trend by seeking to simplify Scrum for people outside of software. Language tying Scrum to IT and software was removed. Other concepts were simplified, and many practices were removed in order to make Scrum even more of a framework than ever before.